Hey, it's your favorite roofer, Todd, with Sunbelt Roofs, back here at this real estate investor home near Slidell, Louisiana. Kind of from the ground view, just want to show you why drip edge is important. As you can see, there's no drip edge, which is a metal flashing that would go at the very top of that wood fascia board and then wrap up underneath the shingles onto the roof. And it makes sure, A, water can't migrate back up under the shingles and get into your fascia soffit area. You can see the soffitings falling down from water intrusion and rot and degradation right here on the corner. No drip edge on this lower part, but you can see in the upper part there was drip edge and the condition of the fascia overall. Small, inexpensive piece. Sometimes roofers try to cut corners and just not put it in. Same side over here. For the most part, the upper fascia that has drip edge is in good shape, and you can see signs on this lower part. So again, part of what we're going to do here for rip this all off, get it down to the deck, change any bad decking, put a proper drip edge where it belongs, get her fixed up for the long term. Again, Todd, your favorite roofer, Sunbelt Roofs. Until next time.